John, are you able to sort of mention, say, perhaps three main benefits that you think young people will benefit, will gain from the intensive revision in maths?
Yes. For a start, the question of clearing up any misconceptions or simply lack of understanding of concepts or techniques. That in turn leads to an increase in confidence. And confidence, I think, in mathematics possibly more than any other academic subject, it is so vital. And I have known many times students who arrive really with a very low confidence level, who, because they achieve success, really increase their confidence, and that breeds more success. And hugely important, practice in examination questions and examination technique.